that sound?
Parking sensors. Thank you.
I think it's because the Mini, the lady smiles at me.
Ladies like this
smiling because
car.
it's like, oh, 3 gay boys going to Autophiles, welcome to a new review.
Hi.
It's a Mini Cooper S E Countryman ALL4.
Pef. It's a Pef.
Cooper S, so got more performance. It's an E Countryman because it's a plug-in hybrid.
Okay.
And it's ALL4 because it's four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive. Okay.
Basically, this is the crossover version of the Mini, the modern BMW Mini in its
Jacked up higher, a little bit more space, 4-door.
First impressions?
Yep. To be honest, I think they did a good job with the driving department. The car drives really well. To elaborate a bit more in the performance department. But coming back here, everything else left me wanting a bit more. It's not a great car from any other seat other than from the driver's seat.
Yeah.
That's what I noticed about this car.
This is a jacked up crossover, so I expected it to be bigger, but it's not. When they came to pick me up, I couldn't see the car. so size-wise, definitely closer to a hatchback, I think, than a crossover. The dashboard, the retro design really stands out. I mean, there's a huge round circle in the center with like a bunch of colors. It's quite bling lah, and it's bling in a very retro way. And I like the dials here. There's no RPM meter, but there's a meter that tells you if it's charging, and it's all analog. So I like those things though. Other than that, power is quite good. Power is not lacking at all. It's quite capable. I cannot find anything to complain other than the inside space is quite small and the outside is quite small for a crossover.
Weird size thing. Because you think you should be the same size as that hatchback, then you go next to it and you're like taller.
You're much bigger.
No,
much bigger.
I think it's a paradox of this car because I mean the Mini is supposed to be Mini, right? We're not supposed to be complaining about its interior size. But then again, I am complaining because it feels much larger than a lot of cars out there, especially when you go to a parking space. It's so big.
It is chunky.
It is so chunky.
It's like someone took a magnifying ray to the proportions are all the same. It's just blown up.
Blown up, yeah. And the funny thing is this, it forms a paradox with the original Mini because right now the Mini is so chunky on the outside but so small on the inside. Whereas the original Mini is so big on the inside and so small on the outside.
Correct.
Right? It's a total opposite. Sometimes it makes you question, did BMW take it too far?
It's become the complete opposite of what it was.
It is. It is a complete opposite, you're right. That's the right word. Complete opposite of what it originally was.
Original one celebrates British ingenuity.
Yes.
Taking what little resources they had at the time to make something that was great for everyone.
Correct.
Whereas this one celebrates British worship.
It worships Britishness, I tell you, and I find it a bit disgusting, to be honest. They put British motifs in their...
the tartan...
the cloth
weave
design, weave design, in places that are so passive-aggressive.
In the glove box.
In the glove box. Hidden under...
this place here.
The place there,
My first impressions, I don't have much to add, what they say is true. But I have to say it's the first locally assembled Mini.
Oh wow!
Oh nice.
Way to go! Okay, performance.
Yeah.
It's a very impressive job I think BMW has done. It's just that coming from BMW, you expect this kind of work. It's very, very sharp and very responsive. You turn a bit and it goes a bit more than a Mo steering would give you. There is a bit of go-kartness to it. I think that's what Mini tries to go for all the time. It's just that it is a little bit pampered, a bit more plushness than a go-kart feel, which is what is necessary to sell today. So performance-wise, I'll give it a 4 out of 5.
The engine, you get 136 horsepower.
Okay, 136 horsepower inline 3. We need to talk a bit about the inline 3. So it is quite powerful actually. It's not wanting in speed or power. 0 to 100.
7 seconds.
Okay.
That's quite fast.
That's not bad. That's
for
not
crossover, that's quite fast.
So I mean, performance-wise, you can't complain. It's a fast car. It is zippy. It loves to go. It loves to go fast. It loves to be pushed around the corner. And it is a rewarding drive, I would have to say. But
so yesterday I was driving down from JB to KL, and I decided to just put it in auto mode. So it let the whole battery drain down to 1-2%. It took away the electric power. So then I was in KL with traffic and a very atypical situation happened for this car with just the petrol engine. And it was bad.
You feel the wrath of the i3.
Yeah, the inline 3 vibrations just were coming through like mad.
But wait, when the hybrid comes on, then the vibrations
go off.
Go off.
The way the car is normally configured takes care of this completely. When you're normally taking off from a standstill, the engine is off, you start creeping forward in electric, and then the moment you go about 10 kilometers per hour, 15 kilometers per hour, the engine kicks back in. It's at a state where it's not vibrating too much. I don't think that's a major complaint, because that's me pushing it to an extreme.
I'll add to it a little bit of context here. The i3, nobody likes i3, to be honest. Everybody hates i3. You take an i3 because you have to. When I bought the F30 BMW 3 Series, actually the one I test driven was a 318, which is the i3, you know. And amazing, because when you put an i3 in a front engine rear wheel drive configuration, and the way BMW does it is that they put all 3 cylinders behind the front axle. My goodness, the balance of the vehicle is amazing. This car doesn't put that engine in that configuration. It's all on top of the front axle. You basically left with a situation where you suffer all the problems, the inherent unbalancedness, roughness, poor performance of an i3 without the saving grace of good balance that an i3 gave you. So in that sense, I personally would have preferred an i4. You should have given an i4.
It's actually very fast, and it's like the moment you want to accelerate, you're already there because of the electric motor. But it's really not great for anyone else except for the driver.
Yeah, that's the theme of this car.
Yeah, my occupants were suffering. And I realized that when you go really fast above Anthony Loke's prescribed limit, and it's raining, the twitchiness, the responsiveness of the steering wheel kind of goes against.
Yeah, it rewards the driver and punishes the passengers.
Yeah, this car I think is made for twistier roads, for
city roads.
City roads.
Because Howie is a relatively stable, safe driver. Even I feel nauseated now. I feel a bit burning. I need a beer now.
Hey, sorry, bro.
No, it's okay. It's not you, man. It's the car.
But I was sitting where you were. I wasn't impressed because it's very cramped. But then when I'm here,
you love it, huh?
I love it, man. The size is very manageable.
Yeah. BMW is famous for its gearbox. BMW gearbox cannot be beaten. That's what it is at the moment. The ZF one. It shifts almost as fast as a DSG without having the problem of a DSG. You don't get that here. You get a Japanese-made IC gearbox.
IC is super reliable, man.
It is reliable, but it's slow, man. It's unbecoming of a BMW product. I mean, it is fast by industry standard. It is, predictable by industry standard. But by BMW standard, it's a bit one thing. It's not right.
The whole time I had this car, I never engaged Tiptronic.
It's not good enough.
It's not good enough, and it's not necessary.
Yes, it's not necessary.
When you have the torque and all that, the electric motor, you just don't need the U shifting. Whenever you go to the throttle, the power.
Correct.
I actually quite like the Tiptronic.
You would love the ZF more, man.
Performance, how many stars?
Oh, performance.
I'll give it a 4.5 lah for the driver.
Overall performance, including the rest of it, maybe not so hard.
Yeah, because the NVH is really quite poor.
Yeah, NVH is quite poor. The comfort, I'm sitting
non-existent.
First time I'm sitting in this seat and I don't like it.
The seats at the back, it heats up, Heats up. Yeah, man. I mean,
leather is heating up.
Yeah, if I'm in the UK, I'll be fine. I'm in Malaysia, bro.
So I think overall 3.5.
Same as mine. From a driver's perspective, it's a bit better.
Yeah.
I will give it a 4, but overall, I have to give it a 3.8.
Yeah, the plastics, everything molded here is unique to Mini, and the retro style instrument cluster, it's a visual treat.
Except that that feels very afterthought, especially at the end. You see that part?
Yeah.
If it's a British who does this, he would have ended it after. He would fold it to the back. This is Volkswagen.
British would do it until here on the piece of.
This is engineer trying to do art,
It brings me to the bad part about this car. Everything here that is special, every little design element, it's all just cheap plastics.
Yes.
It is very cheap plastics.
But it creaks a little bit less than a Maserati would.
Definitely,
I have to say I was pleasantly surprised. In the sense that it's not as waxy as I thought it was. It would be.
Yeah.
It is not entirely molded out of wax. Outside, I have to say this, BMW, you have to move away from the same look already. I think it's getting a bit old. It's a little bit long in the tooth. I feel it's something you need to change. It's getting a bit boring as well. Yeah, it hasn't changed much. If I'm not an enthusiast, I don't look properly, I can't tell. To be honest, I have to give it a little bit lower because I feel that the entry-level Mercedes is doing better than this in its sense of occasion. Even the previous A-Class looks more special than this.
It feels more special.
feels more special. I hate the characteristic of the driving of the A. To be honest, it's horrible.
But the interior is
Yes,
wow,
it's
so
this
solid.
car, to be honest, if you remove the round thing in the center, there's nothing special about it. 2.5 out of 5 for lack of assignment, for conservativeness, lack of progressiveness.
So finally, value. You want to take a stab? Yes.
Oh, let's play Guess the Price.
Locally
Ah.
assembled, plug-in hybrids.
245.
260.
He's closer.
Oh,
241.
wow!
Holy smokes.
4 out of 5. Not bad. I mean, yeah lah. I mean, it's BMW territory though, isn't it?
I mean, it's the price of a new A-Class CVU.
It's the price of an existing 330e.
This also goes up against a Volvo XC40.
XC40 is how much again?
240. Same price. I would take the XC40.
Why? Because you love Volvo too damn much.
I love Volvo too much. And the XC40 looks damn special.
And there's a lot of recon minis, right?
Yeah.
A lot.
And-
50k can get.
But who is the target market? You yourself said a man, anything above the 26 years of age cannot pull off this car.
Correct. But I suppose if you live in Damansara, you're a young couple, you have money to spend, you want to be trendy, your husband already has a 3 Series, 5 Series. This is the car.
Very niche market. Plug-in hybrid, mini, locally assembled, SUV, sorry, crossover. Value, to me,
To be honest, I feel it's cheap.
You feel it's cheap.
I feel it's cheap because I was expecting much more. This is the price of a standard mini, not the price of a Countryman S. 4 out of 5 for me, value.
Why would you get this rather than a 3 Series?
Exactly. I mean, but I'm thinking from my point of view, and I think you're also thinking from your point of view. You wouldn't buy this over a 3 Series.
I won't.
Okay, I'll tell you why I don't like this car. I don't like this pricing.
Because you don't like BM.
No, I mean, I would take a 3 Series. I would openly say I take a 3 Series.
Okay.
But I would also take an A-Class in this segment.
Okay,
And if I wanted to take a mini, I would take a smaller mini.
okay.
Without
That
a
is
plug-in
more true
hybrid.
to the...
Yeah, but which is more true to the mini
spirit,
brand,
yeah.
the spirit of mini. I would take a Golf GTI
Over this.
for being more diverse, more
And
comfortable.
more complete a product.
Yeah, more complete product.
No, but you won't buy a Volkswagen.
But I won't buy a Volkswagen. I would take so many other cars over this.
Yeah.
Oh, small cars, I would take a smaller mini. Bigger cars, I would take a 3 Series for this price. And funkier, more stylish cars, I would take a Volvo XC40.
Yeah.
Because that car is genuinely what this car wants to be.
Contextually speaking, it's good lah.
It's good.
But reality,
Reality is, I
there
think,
are too many choices.
yeah, right now there's just too many choices. When they launched this car, I think it was really sweet spot. But now that A-Class has come out, XC40 has come out, it's just too crowded the space.
It's true.
It's not the only option anymore.
Autofiles signing out from Mini Countryman. Complete the name, please.
Mini, Cooper, SE, Countryman, all 4, plug-in hybrid, 2018, 1.5.
There's something unmanly about Mini now. I suppose the name Mini also does not, boost and amends the image you try to portray. I have a Mini! It does not flop our way. Batang berjuntai. Dangling stick. But unfortunately it's not a stick, it's a stub.
So many sexual overtones.